will start using the number line to help us use rational numbers. Let's read together the paragraph entitled Using a Number Line. I read and I want you to follow me in your book. In Egypt, the height of the land ranges from 145 meters below the level of the sea in the Western Desert to 2,875 meters above the level of the sea in Sinai Peninsula. If you are traveling across Egypt from the Sinai Peninsula to the Western Desert, you will start at an elevation of 23 meters and will decrease by 25 meters by the end of the week. So again, focus in here. He's telling you that you will start at an elevation of 23 and it will decrease by 25 meters by the end of the week. From what we just read, I want to think of the answers to the two questions in the activity. And don't worry, the number line will help us. Let's draw. First, we need to identify the position of 0 on the line. So, since we have elevations above and below the sea level, the point represents 0, as you see here, is the sea level. Now, we want to know how to divide the number line, meaning the scale we will use. So, I'll divide it into 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So, like you see here, 2, 4, 6, and so on. You can also use the most suitable scale to you when you're solving. Now, I think the two questions we had after reading the passage is so clear. In question A, at first, the elevation is the Sinai Peninsula was 23. So let's see here. It's above the sea, which is 23. Okay, so we can represent it here on the number line as you see. It's here between 22 and 23. So it's exactly 23. In the second question, we want to know how did you graph your positional distance from the sea level in the Western Desert. We will find that after we were at an elevation of 23, our elevation has decreased by 25 meters. When going down 23, look here, if you go down 23 to the 0, okay, we need 25, right? So if you go down, it decreased here by 23, okay? So we need 2 more, so it will be here, it's on exactly minus 2. So we will need to go down the remaining 2 meters below the sea level, So below the sea level, meaning below 0 by 2. So as you see here,
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.